What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Angel.
And we're Alexis and Angel. For today's video, we're going to do the person in front of us. What is it? The person in front of us chooses what we eat.
Oh my god, okay. So for today's video, guys, let's get back on track now. We'll be buying...
We
cannot be posting this shit.
Take 7. Go.
Alright. Cut. Okay. Anyways. I don't know how to fucking explain it. Okay.
Okay, guys. Why do I do this every video? Have you noticed that? I go.
Cut that out.
Okay, guys. So for today's video, we are going to be doing oh, I can't do this.
Okay, guys, for today's video, we'll be going to fast food places and we'll be buying whatever the people in front of us get. We will be buying what they got. So I don't know, we'll figure out what we're gonna put for our video, the name, because right now we obviously could not figure out what the hell the video is called. So basically we're gonna go either to like Starbucks or Chick-fil-A, the most places that have lines right now, because especially with all this coronavirus going on. So we'll be taking you guys on, well, I lost train of thought. We'll be taking you guys with us for a ride. Don't need a jet to get high like me. Started off slow, but I finally made a out of the cost. Chances I'm taking.
Welcome to Starbucks. My name is Christine. How are you doing today?
Good, and you?
I'm doing good, thank you. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, yes, the people that are in front of me, can I order what they ordered?
Yeah. You want a mango dragon fruit refresher with lemonade?
Yes.
Did you want that Trenta as well?
Yes.
All right. Anything else today?
That'll be it.
And what is your name for this order?
Angel?
Angel?
Yes.
All right, Angel. It's going to be $5.69 today, and Robert will meet you at the window, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Dang, that was a good drink.
I
don't know who that is, but we have the same taste.
Yeah, and I thought it was gonna be like expensive. Oh, guys, we're here at Starbucks. We didn't mention it, but no, yeah, like I was expecting something else. Like I was expecting like a big order.
I know.
The lady was like, yeah, sure.
She was kind of confused.
Yeah, she was like, why are these?
She's like, Trenta is huge.
With lemon? With lemon?
I know. I've never had that, but a mango dragon fruit like is one of my favorites. So we're gonna have to try that.
I never tried that before.
Me either. But it sounds good.
Well, didn't we drink that drink last time?
We drank the dragon drink, but not mango with lemon.
Mm.
And it's a Trenta, so we could share it.
No, that's cool.
So Starbucks was a success.
Yeah, Starbucks was good. $5 was the. Oh yes.
We should have paid for hers. Dang. Tell that lady, wait.
Oh wait, she's doing a coupon. We'll do the next one.
The next person in front of us?
No. No, we'll pay. How about we pay for the ones behind us?
Okay.
All right, guys. So we're gonna do some act of kindness, and we're gonna pay for the people behind us.
You know, Stacy did that. My aunt did that the other day, and I told her, "Man, you're paying." She did it twice. So I said, "Man, you're paying for people behind you. I think I'm gonna drive behind you all day and see if you'll pay for my stuff." I'm so excited to try this drink.
Yeah, me too.
I've never tried it. Babe, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow.
Sick, bro.
I'm excited but nervous.
Hey, that drink actually looked good. It was like all pink.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Alright, guys.
Is this going to be awkward for you?
No, not really. Yes.
$5.69 today.
I would like to pay for the people behind me.
Yeah, of course. Let's do this one real quick. That's $5.69.
I don't have a chip. I don't have a chip for this.
Oh, you
one.
can go ahead and swipe it.
Where is
Is
it?
it okay if I grab your card and swipe it?
Oh yeah, that's fine,
Yeah,
man.
just,
Bye.
it's a lot easier for you. There you go.
Thank you.
And then the next one?
Oh,
The next one was $8.88 today.
okay.
Same card?
Yeah, same card.
All right. Thank you guys. Here you go.
Thank you. Watch, they're gonna be shocked.
Is this for your community? Anything else?
That'll be it, man.
Thank you guys. Have a good rest
You
of your
too.
day.
Let them know my name was Angel. Okay.
Do you know them?
Angel and Alexis. No, we have a YouTube channel that we do.
Oh, okay.
So that's we're just
Sweet.
doing
All
an
right, I'll let
active.
them know, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
Aww.
you're old folks too.
This is pretty good.
Oh well, thanks for jumping the gun without me. Over here, do it. Oh, let me see. Oh, dang.
That's good. Where are we going next? Chick-fil-A?
Oh shit. Yeah. Those people.
Wow, this guy draws things.
Who?
Can you draw me?
Okay. Oh.
Oh, they're waving at us. Well, they can't see us.
Oh, damn. Well, you should have rolled down the window.
Oh, that was nice. Look at you can't.
Oh, shoot, guys.
It's because it's okay. We're gonna turn anyway. That was so nice of us.
Yeah. Should we do it at Chick-fil-A too?
We can if there's a line or if there's somebody. But if there's somebody in front of us.
Oh.
No,
we can go this way,
that
this
that
way,
wouldn't
this way.
work. That wouldn't work. Is there somebody behind us?
Somebody has to be behind us, yeah.
Mm.
So we'll go and then. Oh, this is gonna. Well, Chick-fil-A is always packed. Chick-fil-A is just always packed. Wow, we did actually a really good thing. They were waving at us. We were literally
I know.
leaving,
And
we
they
were.
were little old people.
I know, they're all like this to us. And of course our windows are tinted and we didn't get the chance to roll down the window and like wave at them. So that was cool. I'm glad we did that.
That's really good.
I know. It's with lemonade too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. They spelled my name wrong.
They put angle?
They put angle instead of angel.
We should just change your name to Angle.
Well, that's what happened when the Andales, remember?
Mm.
Man, they spelled my name wrong twice.
This is a Trento mango drink with lemonade.
Oh,
So good. Try it.
it's actually really
I
good.
honestly was kind of nervous. Sorry, guys. The camera's moving because the car's moving.
We're kind of driving.
I was kind of nervous because, like, sometimes people get like really like coffee. I'm not a big coffee person, first off,
Mm-hmm.
and a lot of people get like really strong coffee, and that's what I was scared of. And you're not really a coffee person either.
No, not really.
Like you
Unless
don't like
it-
the strong coffee.
Yeah, it's like really nasty. I like if it has chocolate in it, I'll drink it. That's my main thing right there.
Yeah.
Chocolate's my main thing. Anything else I can't drink. I cannot drink. Like iced coffee, I can't drink iced coffee. That's just too much for me.
Those little people were all waving. That was so
I know they were waving at us.
cute. Where are we going after Chick-fil-A?
I don't know. We
I'm
can-
trying to think of like busy places.
Or we can go give back to the homeless or something. Give homeless people some money.
Or we're gonna have like a ton of food, so go and give them food.
Yeah. We could drop somebody off some food.
So I say we go Chick-fil-A. Oh, that's too packed.
What?
Whataburger.
Oh yeah, that's too.
Cane's.
Canes?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we could figure it out.
I'm pretty happy with the Starbucks run.
Yeah.
It was a success.
It actually came with a good drink. I thought it was gonna be like some weird drink.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm telling you, because some people come up with some weird things.
The guy at Starbucks, do you know them? And I'm like, no, I don't. I'm just
Is
doing-"
that what he said?
Yeah, he's like, do you guys know them? And I'm like, no, I don't. We're just doing an act of kindness.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she always has to make fun of me because I can't talk sometimes. Alright guys, we're pulling up to Chick-fil-A. Oh, okay, cool. Someone's in front of us, so that's awesome. Damn. Hopefully someone goes behind us.
I'm sure somebody will. Alright guys, we just got to Chick-fil-A. We're waiting in line. Hopefully somebody...
Well, hopefully someone gets behind us.
Yeah.
Because, you know, that lucky person.
That lucky son of a gun. Just kidding.
Hello, welcome to Chick-fil-A. How may I serve you?
Hi, yes, the person that just ordered before me, can I get what they ordered?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that for me?
The person that just ordered before me, can I get what they ordered?
The person in front of me?
In front of me.
Oh, they got a medium mac and cheese.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Alrighty, anything else for you?
That would be it.
Perfect, your total is going to be $3.56.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
We should have went with the old lady.
Yeah. The worker was confused. She's like, wait, me in front of me? And I'm like, no, in front of the car, in front of me. You see, I'm not even able to talk.
The guy that ordered in front of us was like staring at us.
Yeah,
in his mirror.
his window was rolled down and everything. So he's like, why are these fools ordering
What I ordered.
what I ordered?
He probably thinks they don't know like what it's called or something, maybe.
Yeah. Well, hey, we can either pay for...
The ladies or this person. I wonder what that lady got.
I don't know, but I thought this guy in front of us was gonna order something more
Like 12-piece chicken nuggets with some large fries
or something.
and a large Dr. Pepper. That's what I thought. He literally just got mac and cheese.
A bowl of mac and cheese.
How are you
Also-
gonna come to Chick-fil-A for a bowl of mac and cheese and that's it? No drink, no nothing. I'm kind of disappointed.
Oh, see, there we go. Now I look pretty.
Oh,
Just kidding.
are we gonna eat the mac and cheese or are we gonna give it to somebody? We should go give it to the old man that was right there by Starbucks.
Should we? Yeah.
We'll get him a complimentary water.
What, from here?
Yeah,
From Chick-fil-A?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that, son. What's the credit card at?
I don't have it. What do you mean? You didn't give it back to me.
Okay, guys, we're having some technical difficulties.
It's right here.
I was like, oh my god. I was like, I swear, give it back to
I'm
you.
like, man, this guy kept our card.
Oh man. That would have been bad.
We just have a mac and cheese, is that correct?
Yes.
73.56, please.
Actually, can I pay for the people behind me too?
Of course. So it's going to be $3.56. Give me 1 second. I'll add it all.
Okay.
Okay, so they had a spicy sandwich and a lemonade. It's going to be $10.37. There you go. Did you need a receipt today?
No, thank you.
Of course.
Thank you, you guys too. Oh, can I get a, what?
Okay, can we get a complimentary water?
Is it like a special water or what?
No, it's a free water.
Oh.
Should we get this lady's reaction?
I don't know. It'd just be weird waiting.
Here you go.
Thank you.
This sauce right
Oh.
here. Anything else?
That'll be it. Thank you, you too. Okay, guys, we just paid for the lady. We're gonna try to see if we can get her reaction.
You can't see.
What did she do? What did she do?
She tried to give him that card.
Oh, wow. For real?
Yeah.
So she's like, no, here, I still want to pay for it. Man.
No, I think
Like,
I think they started giving her stuff before they told her the total.
she's behind us, hold on.
Mm-hmm. She's probably like, oh. I'd be like, thank you so much. I'd follow the person.
I know, me too.
So nice.
She's probably she's actually following us. I'm just kidding.
No, she's not.
Behind, well, she's behind us.
Doesn't mean she's following us. She said, I'm gonna give you guys some money to fix the brakes.
Oh, I know. She's probably gonna tell us, be like, hey, yo, bro.
So guys, we got the mac and cheese. We're gonna actually, there was this little homeless man. He was making portraits of people, like just sitting there drawing. We're actually gonna go and give him, we got a compliment. This is a complimentary water, babe.
Oh, sorry.
It's free. We're gonna go give him this and the mac and cheese.
So what if you ask for a regular water? Do they charge you for that?
What do you mean a regular water?
Like, oh, can I get a water? What if you don't say complimentary water, like you said?
They would still give you, they'll either ask you a complimentary water or a bottled water.
Oh, I don't know the difference, but okay.
Because bottled water you have to pay for it. Oh my god, this lady's next to us.
Oh.
She's probably gonna be like,
She'll be like, oh, did I say to pay for it?
how funny. Oh, she's staring.
Is she staying?
Yes.
Did she say thank you?
Aw, she
Oh,
did.
she did.
She said thank you.
She said thank you. Oh, she's not even, oh yeah, she's from here.
No, she's from Arizona. That's the one
No.
from Arizona.
Oh yeah, it is.
Aw.
I thought she was gonna like want to throw blows or something.
I think that's why she moved to that side. So
Yeah,
she can tell
so
us
she can
thank
say
you.
At first she was like staring, like, and I was like, oh man, she's gonna tell us.
What the paper?
I'm gonna have to park somewhere. Let me park somewhere real quick.
Okay. Park right here, because I have to be able to see. Yes, perfect. So Angel's gonna get down and give him the stuff, and he's also gonna give him some money.
Give him $10. Stuff is real out here. Come on, I don't know. These people are. This guy and his girlfriend are about to throw down.
These people, they're about to fight, yo.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go get back.
So here's the little man. He's over here doing self-portraits of people. There's Angel. Oh, this lady. Oh my god, lady. She's vlogging. Aww. Always give back, guys. You'll make somebody's day. Look at him. What he told you?
He's like, oh man, where'd you get this from? And he's like,
He's eating it. How do you feel?
I feel awesome. Kind of sad. Just kidding. No, yeah. He was like, man, thank you. I was like, here's the water and here's some macaroni and cheese. And he's like, thanks, man. I was like, and also here's $10. And he's like, oh man, thank you so much. I haven't eaten.
Aww.
Yeah. He's like, I've been trying to sell all these
The portraits.
those portraits that he's been painting and stuff. So those people
They're still fighting.
they're screaming, I can hear them. Watch it, let's watch.
He's eating. Aww.
We did good.
So now next.
Nick. Is she awake?
No.
Oh, look at our son's back there asleep.
Our next destination.
Where do you think we should go?
I don't know.
Well, let me drive up. Oh. So
Dedication.
Dedication right there. Running with groceries. Where do you think we should go?
I don't know. I'm trying to think of a place that's like. Oh, Dion's don't do drive-through. Like you have to order before.
Yeah, they do, but you have to like, and then they take forever. Sorry guys, our little camera stand it kind of fell apart.
You can go. Shoot, I don't know. I'm trying to think.
So we're gonna go drive to where it's kind of busy right now.
Yeah, and then we'll choose.
And then we'll choose.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, guys. So we just got to Cane's.
We got the Cane's.
We're waiting for the people in front of us to order. And then there is somebody behind us. So we're gonna pay for their meal.
I just want to see who's in there. The truck right here. If you guys can see, it's kind of dark.
Angel's all staring
And
at
I'm all
me.
staring.
No.
Oh. Okay, hold on, guys.
Hey, what's the ticket today?
Hey, the people that ordered in front of me, can I get what they ordered?
You want a Canadian combo with the large fry?
Yes.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alrighty, your total will be at that first window. Thank you.
Thank you. First one, this one?
Yeah.
Have they ordered yet? The people behind me?
I'm sorry?
Have the people behind me ordered yet?
They're still working on it.
Oh, dang, because I was going to pay for the people behind me.
If you want, I can charge you, and then I can just wait until they pull up behind you.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, they're about done right now. Yeah. Okay, she's just telling her total now.
Okay.
Oh, never mind, he's adding more.
Oh, dang it.
Are you sure you want to do it? It's quite a bit of food. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yours is going to come out to $12.51, and then I'll have to ring up theirs, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to keep the receipt? You want me to give it to them?
Give it to them. Let us know. Let them know that we paid for their food.
Okay, I'll definitely do that.
What?
Your face, you're
I
all.
was like, just kidding.
Here you go. Oh, just kidding. Here you go, and then let me charge the second one, okay?
Okay.
It's going to come out to $35.02.
Okay, that's not bad.
I was hoping it was a little bit lower. Just kidding.
Awesome. There you are.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.
You should have told her. Tell them our names are Alexis and Angel. We have a YouTube channel.
Oh. We have a YouTube channel. We're called Alexis and Angel. And I don't know if you can pass it on to them.
Okay, I definitely will. I kind of figured when you guys noticed the cognac that you guys wanted to get whatever they ordered. I was like, they have to be YouTubers.
Yeah. No, yeah, go check us out.
Alrighty, I definitely will. What was the name again?
Alexis and Angel.
Alexis and Angel?
That's our YouTube name. Yeah.
Okay, I'll definitely check it out and I'll let them know as well, okay?
Alrighty then, thank you.
So much. I do appreciate that. You just started a whole new chain.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're sick, bro. We're sick.
Angel's like, what's going on?
She's like, Dad, what are you doing?
Well, guys, there you have it. I think this was our last stop for the day.
We'll do that. We'll get this food and then we'll go and give it to somebody
Like we did earlier.
like we did.
I'm gonna try my best to get their reaction.
Yeah, let me try to pull up slow. The lady that was talking to us said that she was gonna like let them know.
Like you can see their truck. I don't know if you want to get it, or maybe I can get it. This lady in the back's like, what? Look, look at her face.
Yeah.
She's like,
Wow, we're getting a good reaction out of this.
oh goodness.
Hi, would
Hello.
you like some ketchup?
Yes, please.
There you are.
Thank you so much. They're like, what the hell?
Oh, look.
Oh, look.
Holding up sides.
I think they have kids.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh. We made a
Wow.
couple of people's days.
They were
today.
literally holding out a sign with a heart on it. That's awesome. All right, guys.
That lady, she literally was off.
She was like,
Yeah.
we're-
After this, we're gonna have to get our own food. 'cause
I know we're over here buying food for everybody else, and we're like, and the baby's like, what the heck? Why isn't you guys giving me food?
I know. Usually, it's because usually whenever we do get food, we'll give him like a fry or something on. This time, he just sees us like getting food and not giving
Sure.
him any.
Hi, baby, you're a little crook.
Sorry.
Oh, guys, and don't forget to enter in our $50 giveaway on
Yes.
Cash App. Friday. We're announcing the winner on Friday. Just, yeah, don't forget to enter in that, and
You could win
you
$50
could win $50.
to go Mother's Day shopping.
Oh, yeah.
You know, everybody's tight right now on money, and so that would be the perfect opportunity for you to go and buy something nice for your mothers. And there's somebody there.
Yeah, there is.
So Angel's gonna park. Oh, he has canes already.
Oh, dang.
There's somebody on the other side though.
Dang, somebody already beat us to it.
Yeah, somebody's.
Just go back a little bit. My face is
Sorry.
like all up in the can.
Sorry.
Sorry, guys, you have to see my fat face. I'm trying to turn. right
So
now.
sorry, I'm not a good camera person.
Well, it's kind of hard holding. Are you sure there's somebody over there?
Yeah,
Alright.
I could have sworn I saw somebody standing there. Or am I seeing things?
I think you're seeing things.
Hold on, son. We're gonna get Papa right now, okay?
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh yeah, there is. So you want to park like right here, maybe? This is our last step. I mean, our last stop. Cause our son's getting cranky. He's hungry. He's like, what's going on? Why isn't no one feeding me?
Alright, guys. Well,
So here,
Alexis is gonna.
I'll record. There Angel goes to give some man. He's so happy. Aww. Alright guys, so that concludes our video.
Yep.
How do you feel about today?
I feel pretty good. You know, it feels awesome to give back to the people that don't have much. You know, especially with this hard time that's going on in the world. Everybody's just short on money. You know, so we're just helping out a little bit as much as we can, buying people food, giving money. You know, we had a good amount of surprises, well, happy faces today. Like I think the one that topped off was the one at Cane's. They were like so shocked, like if only we could have got the video of the lady sticking out a sign with the heart on it. Like she was just like, and the guys over here, they were honking their horn and everything, so they were just like pretty excited. But yeah, it was awesome. It was awesome making people's day, you know, making them smile and stuff like that. So I'm glad we did this.
Me too.
Yeah. Don't forget to enter the contest to win $50.
You gotta like, subscribe, and go share
Share
our
our
video,
video.
our last video. Well, you could share. I guess you could share any of our videos.
You can, any of them, and just don't forget to like tag us or
comment so that we know. If you don't comment on any of our videos, then we don't know if you
Who's entering,
entered
you know.
or not.
So,
So yeah.
just say done with liking, subscribing, and sharing our video, and then comment your Cash App name on the comments below. Yeah, like she said, if you guys don't comment your stuff down onto our videos, we're not gonna know whether or not you guys did it or not. So don't forget to do that. I know we've already seen a few people do it on our videos that commented on our video and shared it. And if you guys don't have us on social media, we will link our Instagram and our Facebook onto our description. And if you guys want, go to our page, or page us, or send us a text message or something.
Babe,
so
nobody
we know.
has pages.
Not that, you know what I mean, like go, I know page is not a word no more, but go like,
Don't page me.
oh my god, go DM us. DM us, that's the thing now. DM us on Instagram, either me or Alexis, however you guys want to do it. So let's see who really wants that $50.
Yes,
See.
Mother's Day. I'm so excited. I'm thinking that we should do a Mother's Day video because we did get stuff for all of our parents. Right now we currently cannot visit his parents. So I'm thinking what we can do is like a social distancing type thing. Basically, well, you'll see it in the video, but we'll kind of be like across the street just to visit, Ida, to let her know that we love her, and even though we're not going to be able to spend Mother's Day with her, that she can see the kids from the distance. So that'll be fun, I guess.
Yeah, and we'll be visiting all the mothers.
We'll be visiting my mom, Angel's mom. Yeah, we'll be visiting pretty much everybody on Sundays, so look out for that video next.
Yeah, so
But I think that is it, guys.
that is it for today. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. Check us out. Hey, we're not too bad. We're not bad at all. Sometimes we are, but we're just learning. We're getting better at this stuff. So.
And don't forget to go get your lashes at Lash the Love and use my code to get a discount. I'm wearing the lashes right now. These are Queen. Because I'm Queen.
But yeah, that'll be it, guys, for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
And we will see you
Next time.
next time. Bye.